Hey guys, if you have scrolled TikTok recently, probably you saw these videos of minifigures who cook something in their factory or kitchen. And honestly, these videos get millions of views. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create these such beautiful videos completely for free using AI tools. So now, let's get started. And the first step here, just head over to ChatGPT, where we can ask it to get some prompts to create our images or the main scenes in our video. So simply we can answer to this prompt like I wanna make of many figures who cook and prepare something like it could be shawarma, chocolate bars, pizza, and so on. So I select shawarma. Okay, prepare shawarma in the factory. So give me 5 scenes with their professional detailed prompts for each. Okay, and just in a few seconds here you can find ChatGPT gives you detailed prompt for every single scene in your ad video of minifigures. Like the first one, the factory walk-ins, like the entrance of the doors or something like that. Shawarma meat preparation room, the mini conveyor belt of levers, as you see. So these are scenes here in your video. Perfect. And now we can move on to the second step here. We can create these beautiful images of every single scene. So for sure you can find a plenty of these AI image generators out there. So you can pick one of them like Grok.com, one of the best ChatGPT alternatives that enables you to get deep searches and articles and so on, and as well as create beautiful images. So here you can select this option, and I'll insert this prompt here from ChatGPT. This one here, first one, okay, copy and go to Grok, paste here, and enter. And just in a few seconds, as you see, amazing images from Grok.com here. Perfect, with different styles as you see. For sure you can also find many other AI image generators out there that you can try for free, like this one, chatminstrel.ai. It's another ChatGPT alternative. So here you can find this amazing feature to create beautiful images. It depends on Flux model. And then you can insert this prompt, and here I just tried it to create these beautiful images like this one, for example. Okay, and this one as an entrance, people are going towards the doorway and so on. And this one, beautiful to stack the shawarma meat and so on with flame. Beautiful scenery of this image. Okay, so you can try minstrel.ai for free to create these beautiful images. Or you can go to this one, leonardo.ai, gives you a free plan to create your amazing images, or pickleomin.com and so on. For sure I just gather all these AI image generators that you can rely on without any watermark. You can find this link down below in the description box in the first comment. So then you can download all these images that you have generated from these beautiful websites. So now we can move on to the third step, how we can animate these images, or we can convert these images to videos, in other words. So that way we can go together to this amazing website that is tensor.art. It's a fantastic website where you can generate beautiful images, animate videos, create videos from prompts and so on, and it gives you a generous free plan. So here just we can try tensor.art quickly in the case of converting your images to amazing videos. So sign up for free and head over to this button, create, and select this option, image to video, and upload here your image after sign up, and insert here its prompt as well. And for sure I just tried tensor.art earlier to create these videos like this one, as you see. Amazing, isn't it? So it pre-live to these images. So here you can find these movement. Okay, this one as well, and for sure without any watermark. Then you can download all these scenes for free to your device. And for sure, I just talked about 3 amazing videos you can rely on to convert images to videos, unlimited usage, completely for free. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. Then it's time now to gather all these elements to make your own ad video. Unfortunately, you can use any software you like Filmora, CapCut, Canva, and so on. But here, to make your ad video more interesting and more fascinating, you've got to add what's so-called sound effects that are complementary to every single scene, like the fire, the footsteps, and so on. So now we can go back again to ChatGPT and ask to get the sound effects for every single scene. So now we can answer this prompt like give me ideas of sound effects used in every single scene. Okay, and here it gives me for every single scene this one for the factory workers, like soft humming, tiny footsteps, steam hissing, gentle sizzling. And as for scene number 2, sprinkling, knife sharpening, it's an amazing one, subtle flame whoosh, and so on and so forth. And now we can search for all these sound effects on an amazing website that is pixabay.com. It's a completely free website that gives you millions of these assets for commercial use. And here you can find a big section of sound effects. So here you can search for these suggestions from ChatGPT of sound effects. So for example, I can try this one like that knife sharpening here. Copy and insert here this query. And then you can find many of these sound effects to use in your video. So you can play each of them one by one to get what is more suitable to your ad video. Then download completely for free for commercial usage. Then you can gather all these elements, these video clips with these sound effects and music background if you want in your software to make your ad video that is go viral in this trending niche. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.